All right. So, I told you guys the other day I had a big surprise. Well, we're about to see it. It is 9:30 p.m. Central Time on a Friday night, and I am about to take delivery of some awesome stuff. Stay tuned. Well, it's now 9:35, and look what has showed up. Woo! Yeah, let's take a look. Well, it's finally here. Kentucky finally has some Huayees. All right, so for starters, I'm getting over being sick, so don't mind my voice, or if I don't sound or look super thrilled, I still don't feel the best, but I'm trying to get this video done so I get this information out there, man, let you guys know what's coming. Let's get into it. So it's been a couple days since that clip. Driver got here kind of late. He got held up in traffic on the way here, so he got here later than expected. So I didn't record the unloading. I was going to, but I didn't want to hold him up any longer than he already was. So anyways, we got everything fired up, got it unloaded. A few days went by now. We've been super busy, so just now getting around to finishing this. But as you can see behind me, we've got some Huayee machines available now. We are a new dealer in Kentucky, Southern Kentucky, so service in Tennessee as well. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But behind me here, I've got the Huayee 10. It's a gas mini excavator. And then over there, you can see them, but you can't tell what they are. But those are the new Huayee 12s. Those just came out. So we're gonna see those on the channel real soon in the next coming days. Same way with the Huayee 10. And then I've got several of the mini skid steers, the LHY 480s. So some exciting news. Tons of new content coming. We're going to do in-depth stuff with these, just like we've been doing on the auction stuff. We're going to strip them down, take them apart, see what they're made of, see how they're better, why they're better, because these machines are better. I know you guys are sitting there going, why? Because I was that guy. How are they better? I've had about all of them. I've had a lot of the different machines. But what's all the hype? What's all the hype with the Huayees? Why are they better? And I've watched all the videos, and I've read. So I've seen all the reasons why they're better, but I didn't know. I mean, I never touched and felt one, never seen one. So I was skeptical, just like a lot of you probably are. But I'm here to tell you, from the second I sat on one and fired it up and touched the first joystick, it's night and day. They're different. They're better. Why are they different? Why are they better? Because they actually use name brand parts that are designed to do what they're supposed to do. Not fake copycat pumps with cheap crap parts that aren't set up properly. It's just, there's a big difference. So take it from me. I've had them all. I've used them all. I haven't dug with one of these yet, but I can tell you what, just from driving it, from the end of the driveway, off the truck to here, every one of them, it's a completely different machine. They're so smooth. You hear people saying that and you think, there's no way, but I'm telling you, they're smooth. They are smooth. I'm going to keep auction stuff too. So you guys come by. My customers are going to be able to come by, see the difference in both of them. They're going to know. And I'm going to do videos on that. I'm going to get some in-depth stuff, and I'm going to prove to you guys how different they are. But anyways, I'm excited, very excited to be able to be a part of this company, this brand, and be able to start getting some content out there for you guys. We'll start try to go per model, do teardowns, reviews, go over all the components. We're going to use some of them too. We'll put attachments on them. We'll run them, see how they do. But I'm going to give you guys a little walk around here, couple of the machines here, so you can just see what we're looking at. And that's going to about wrap it up for this video, guys. Just something quick and short. I just wanted to get the information out there, let you guys know. Got some big stuff coming for the channel. This is big. This is big for us. We're excited to be able to offer these, but we're also very excited to be able to put some content out there on these. Real content. So appreciate you guys watching. Check out this little clip right here, and we'll see you guys in the next one.